Hello friends, welcome to the last part of the video series on object detection using Tensorflow Model Maker. So in this section, we will serve the developed model using Python and Flask API. So I have created a small Python Flask starter application with upload and download facility. So here what you can do is that you upload an image and the API will return annotated image if it founds the classes. Now before we start running the app.py, there are some configuration. So there is allowed extension. So we use this allowed extensions to make sure that user has uploaded only JPG, JPEG or PNG file. So as you can see, there is one method get annotated image and one route detect object. In order to test this, I will start Postman. Also you can see here I have used some error handling as well for the detect object route. So let me go here. Okay, my Postman is opening. Okay, now it is object detection YouTube. Okay, this Postman collection, you will also find this Postman collection in the GitHub repository, and the link for that repository is in the description of the video. So this is the API. Let me select an image. We'll go to dataset and test, and let's go for, let's say, Sundar Pichai. Okay, first we need to start the server. So I'll run python app.py. When I run this file, it will load the model and do everything required to predict the annotation of the image. So let me hit send. Let's see if we face any error. No error. Okay, so this is the image, and as you can see, since it's huge, but you can see there is a bounding box around it. Okay, this is the bounding box around it. Okay, I'm not sure why we are not able to see the top part of it. Is there anything saved to a file? Maybe it's not that. Let's try with something else. Let's try with let's say Bill Gates. Okay, so we got the annotated result here. So it's working fine. So I think this is it for the last part of the video. I know I have not explained the code very well, but since you are on this video, I am sure that you understand basic of Python, and I have used only basic of Python as well. I hope you have gained some knowledge from this video. If you face any trouble or any issue running any part of the file, you can comment your error in the comment section of this video, and I'll get back to you. Also, there is a full readme file, and it is it consists all the steps that you need to perform in order to develop the model and serve the model using Python Flask API. It takes too much efforts to develop this kind of material. So if you find my material useful, please consider subscribing to my channel. It helps. Thank you for watching. Peace.